Hello friends, I'm Astha Raj and today I'm going to continue the last topic, that is rational numbers. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about what is rational numbers, standard form of rational numbers, equivalent form of rational numbers, absolute value of rational numbers, and the comparisons of rational numbers. And today in this lecture, I will cover operations of rational numbers, properties of addition of rational numbers. If you want to watch the previous lecture, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Operations on rational numbers. There are four operations of rational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions, and they can be performed on rational number in the same manner as performed on addition. As we know, there are four operations of rational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and they can be easily performed in the same manner as we performed on fractions. Now here is the example of addition. Add minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 4. There is two rational numbers. First one is minus 3 by 4 and second one is minus 5 by 4. When we take the LCM, we got 4, and after calculating it, I got the result minus 8 by 4, and after reducing it, I got minus 2. This is the standard form of rational numbers. You can take various examples to understand this properly. Second is example of subtraction. Subtract 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 8. We will subtract 3 by 8 from minus 5 by 8. We will take the LCM first. I got the LCM 8, and after calculating it, I got minus 8 by 8. We will reduce it and we will get minus 1 as a result. So it is a standard form of rational numbers. Third one is example of multiplications. Multiply minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 4. First, there are two rational numbers, that is first one is minus 3 by 4 and second one is minus 5 by 4. When we will multiply it, then multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator, we will got 15 by 16 as a result. This is the standard form of rational numbers. Example of division. Divide minus 3 by 4 by 5 by 4. We will divide minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 4. So as we know the process, first we will convert the division sign into multiplication, and we will reverse the dividend of the rational numbers, that is 5 by 4 into 4 by 5. When we will multiply the result minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 5, we will get minus 3 by 5, which is a standard form of rational numbers. Now we will talk about properties of addition of rational numbers. There are 5 properties of additions. They are, first one is closure property of addition. This property says that if we have two rational numbers, a by b and c by d, then their sum will also be a rational numbers. The sum of two rational numbers is always a rational numbers. That is a by b and plus c by d is equal to one rational number. Example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. These two are two rational numbers. First one is 2 by 3 and second one is 4 by 5. We will take its LCM 15, and after calculating it, I got 22 by 15, which is also a rational number, and this is the standard form of rational numbers. We can take more examples like 5 by 9 plus 3 by 9. I got the result 8 by 9 as a result. This is standard form of rational numbers. You should take more examples by yourself to understand it properly. Second one is commutative property. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. This is called commutative property. Basically, this property says that if we will exchange the places of a by b and c by d, we will get the same result only. We will take an example also. 3 by 4 plus 9 by 2. We will change its change its place, like 3 by 4 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 plus 3 by 4. We will get the result 21. We will get the result 21 by 4 equal to 21 by 4. So as we can see that LHS is equal to RH. LHS is equal to RHS. So we understand that commutative property is this. Third one is associative property. This property says that if a by b, c by d and e by f are three rational numbers, then under bracket a by b plus c by d plus e by f equal to a by b under bracket c by d plus e by f. This is called associative property. It means that a by b plus c by d under bracket plus e by f is equal to a by b plus c by d and e by f under bracket. Example, we have three rational numbers. First one is 2 by 3, second one is 4 by 5 and third one is 2 by 4. We have put the first two rational number inside the bracket. So we have got the result 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 under bracket plus 4 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 plus under bracket 4 by 5 plus 2 by 4. We have ultimately got the result that is 118 by 60. LHS equals to LHS equals to RHS. This property is proved that associative property is followed in addition of a rational number Fourth one is additive identity property. The rational number 0 is the additive identity for rational numbers. That is, if a by b plus 0 is equal to a by b and 0 plus a by b is also equal to a by b. It means that if we will add 0 to any rational number, we will got ultimately that rational number only. We will not get any change in the rational numbers. Example, 2 by 3 plus 0 equal to 2 by 3. There is no change in the result. This is called additive identity of a rational numbers. Fifth one is additive inverse property. For each and every rational numbers a by b, there is another rational number, namely its opposite or additive inverse minus a by b, such that a by b plus its additive inverse, that is minus a by b, is equal to 0. Basically, it means that additive inverse basically means the opposite of the rational numbers. Like if we have a by b, then its additive inverse will be minus a by b. Example is also 4 by 3 plus additive inverse of minus 4 by 3, that is minus 4 by 3, and ultimately we got the result 0. So hope you have understood the topic, and there are some basic questions like what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9. As we know that additive inverse means opposite of the rational number, so the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9 will be 3 by 9, as we got the result as 3 by 9. Second one is the additive inverse of minus 5 plus 3. We got the result minus 2, and its additive inverse will be 2. Hope you have understood the topic. If you like the video, comment down, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.